Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a market trading recap for 12/3, December 3rd. Just want to go ahead and share this link real quick to my Instagram so I can get a lot more viewers in here. Hopefully, connect with those that really want to learn, that have been reaching out through my Instagram page, trying to get a little bit more information and get involved in trading here. So, TikTok, Market Live. Let's go ahead and get that going. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I shared on my last video for 12/2 that we are on the verge of blowing this account. So today was a very close day for me. It was nowhere near easy, a bit challenging because we obviously had our last $188 in buying power, and if I lost this, it was over. And that's where I was like, hey, like, I don't have a lot of capital for me to go buy Tesla contracts that are currently trading for like $500, $600. I only have $188. So I want to make this stretch and make it work. So what I went ahead and did is traded. My group has been doing an excellent job trading S&P 0-day expiration calls or puts. Cheers, lads. And they've been doing a great job. I looked at these contracts; they're going for $60. I'm like, shit, why not? Let's buy 3, flip this account, full port it. Worst case scenario, we just load up another $500. So now that I went ahead and did this, I was like, all right, we completed second day, made $102 in profit. I had around $300 on this trade for today, and that's when I was like, all right, perfect, like, let's make it roll. So earlier today, right, we're gonna pay attention here to pre-market levels. Let me go ahead and open up this real quick. Something just doesn't seem right to me here. All right, so I got it now. At pre-market, we initially seen that. Let me go ahead and bring up this chart here. I just had to load up this chart. That's where I was making sure we had it loaded up here. Let me fix this camera here in the bottom. Sorry for these technical difficulties here, brother. But check this out right there. All right, so breaking down, right? First things first, we want to look at how pre-market performed. Pre-market was a little bit, bearish. Opened up very aggressively right before market open. We got this aggressive selling off. See this right here, big orange down. That already, if anyone woke up that morning, it's very important that as a beginner, you develop some sort of strategy, right? So when you are trading, you're not just guessing. You are kind of well informed, and you're able to, make an accurate prediction of what's going on here. So when you come in with a strategy, it's my strategy to give you guys a point of reference is find something that's oversold, meaning something that's very cheap, and then buy it as it's gonna come back up. Something like this. That's trading oversold to come back up. Or find something that's overbought. Just bring this chart up. Find something that's overbought and then short it to come back down. These fast movements of gain and devaluing, that's essentially when you see opportunity in the market. That split, that gap between here and here is all of your money. That gap between here and here is all of your money. So today I started the day a little bit late. I was up last night, really brainstorming a lot of ideas for content and continuing, my trading strategy, wanting to just reflect on a lot. You guys see the YouTube video that I put out later on. This one's more of a life video, but I'll share it with you guys on the channel. You guys can watch it on the next video here. But for this market recap, I woke up a little bit late. I was up really late at night, so I woke up late, and just to kind of remind you guys, hey, like, if you missed that first move in the morning, don't beat yourself up. Just be patient and find the opportunity. So using yesterday's reference, right? 683, we couldn't break it. 683, we couldn't break it. 683.86 came back down, crashed the market completely. 683 has been a point of resistance all week long here on SPY. 683, I already missed the opening market call options. Missed it. It is what it is. Resistance here, boom. resistance here, boom, resistance here, boom, resistance here, boom. I'm like, perfect. All right, we're gonna break above this, resistance here. Sooner or later, it's gonna happen. So when we went ahead and got this first jump and break above it, I'm like, whatever, I missed it. Like, I missed it. It is what it is. Once I went ahead and missed it, I'm like, well, it's gonna break 683. Usually, last time it broke 683, look at what happened. Yeah, we went above 683, but then we came all the way back down to a low of 679. So obviously, that range of 683 does not have enough buyers to support it. I'm like, it's still weak. So I'm like, all right, perfect. We're about to go into 683. It's not gonna escape me this time. Using previous reference from the last previous day, which was Tuesday trading, I'm like, we're gonna break this level of here, 683, the resistance where usually stocks can't break. It broke through, finally broke, but it's not like a normal push. Look at this push here. You have previous references to look at. Hey, this is what happened the last time it's here. Now I'm gonna favor that it happens again because I already have proof that it already did it. Now if it does go over, hey, this is even more of a better opportunity for me because eventually it'll come back down. So now that you understand this, when it breaks above, usually there's going to be some sort of sell-off or correction. Once I noticed that, I went ahead and entered put options right here at 683, and I exited right here at 681.72, and I was able to do around 96% return on $300 and walked away with a total profit of, I believe, $274. Now bringing the account back up, literally bringing the account back up to, let me show you guys this journey here, because this one was absolutely crazy. Just when I thought I was done for, we were able to bring back this small account from $188 to now, drum roll please, man, unbelievable. Let's go ahead and make this bigger so it's a bit more legible. Look at that, $544. But look, earlier this week we were here at 359 at December 3rd. No, this morning. I tried to show you December 2nd. I guess we were at 389 after that trade. We were previously here, started the week here, December 1st. Spotify contract minus 90% bled us out here to 389. That was my $188 in buying power. Used it, got me up to here. Boom. Corrected a little bit, taking that last second loss on SPY, and then boom, here, look. 360 today to a high of 567, bringing us back to our initial entry of when we started the challenge of 500 to 10,000. So now we're, trying to beat this account back where we started, 500 to 10 grand. Tomorrow's going to be a great day on the market. Looking for a lot of opportunity there, but essentially, man, one hell of a trading day going into, tomorrow, especially end of the week, going into what we're going to get economic data. So it was one amazing trade, being able to use resistance and SPY as references. All of this was essentially my points of supporting my decision, and it's kind of a breakdown to how I think and how I perceive the market to make the decision that was able to make me a profit. And I hope these market recaps are able to help you. So this one, 96% on SPY puts to end December 3rd, account back at 500. We did not blow it, back from the gulag. Can we do it? $500 to 10,000. We'll live to find out. Jerry Trades with SoCal Trading Group. I hope you guys enjoyed this market recap. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Jerry Trades, SoCal Trading Group. Jerry Trades, over and out. Had a little bit of a lag.